term AC is, and in this term also we have AC, right? So in these two terms we have a common factor, that is AC. So that's why I am taking AC as a common here. So the remaining is B bar, right? So here remaining is B. Okay. So now we know that according to complementative law, x plus x bar is equal to 1. So instead of x, here we have B, right? So B plus B bar is equal to 1. So now this becomes AC into 1, right? So instead of B bar plus B, I am writing 1. So why? Because complementative law. So we are applying that law here. So I am writing 1. So and according to property of 1, x into 1 is equal to x. So here what is the value of x? AC, right? See, this AC into 1 we have. So instead of x we have AC. So the output will be also x. So x means we have AC. So the result will be AC, right? So AC into 1 is equal to AC, means x into 1 is equal to x. So instead of x we have AC. So that's why I am writing AC here. So the complete this expression is minimized as AC. Okay. So we have three terms in this expression, right? So this is one term, this is one term, this is another term, and this is another term, right? So this complete expression is minimized or reduced to a expression called AC. So this is how we are minimizing or reducing the Boolean expression. Okay. So this big expression is reduced to this small expression. Like this we have to reduce in the method. Which method we are using here? So we are using algebraic method. So with the help of algebraic method, we are reducing the Boolean expression. So we will try for another two more problems. So suppose take this as an expression, Boolean expression. Now we have to reduce this Boolean expression. Okay. So how to reduce? So see here all three terms. This is one term, this is one term, this is one term, right? So in all three terms we have x. See, we have xy, xz, xyz, right? So in all these three terms we have x. So that's why I am taking x as a common factor. So if I take x as a common factor, what is the remaining thing in this term? Y, right? So x will be taken as a common factor, the remaining is y. Plus, here also we are taking x as a common factor, so remaining is z. Plus, so here I am taking x as a common, remaining is yz, y into z, right? So y into z. So now after this, now see these two terms. Here z plus yz is there. Okay. So I am writing y as it is plus. So can I take z as a common factor in these two terms? So here also z is there. Here also z is there. So I am taking z as a common factor. And then if I take z as a common factor here, what is the remaining is? Remaining is 1, right? Plus. If I take z as a common factor here, remaining is y. Right. So we know that according to property of 1 plus y is equal to 1 only, right? So according to property of 1 plus y is equal to 1, or we can call this as a tautology, right? So this concept we are applying here. So now this expression becomes z. So instead of 1 plus y, I am writing 1 only. Okay. So why I am writing 1 here? According to property of 1 plus y is equal to 1. So instead of 1 plus y, I am writing 1. Okay. So next, according to property of 1 only, x into 1 is equal to x only, right? So here we have z, instead of x we have z, z into 1 is equal to z. So that's why this expression becomes x into y plus, so z into 1 becomes z only. Okay, so this is the simplified expression for xy plus xz plus xyz. So that is x into y plus z. So this expression can be evaluated in the another manner. So if I am taking, we can take yz also. Okay, so instead, now here I am taking z plus zy, right? To evaluate the expression I am taking these two terms as a common factor. But we can take y also, right? So here we have y and here we have yz, right? So see, x into, I am writing these two expression at the 1, y plus yz into x. Now this expression and this expression is both are same. So if we write 1 plus 2 plus 3 or 1 plus 3 plus 2, both are same, right? So just I am interchanging the places of the terms. Okay. Now x into, now I am taking y as a common factor in these two terms. Okay. So now if I take y as a common, what is the remaining thing here? 1, right? 1 plus, here I am taking y as a common, so remaining is z plus z. Okay, so we know that 1 plus z, according to property of 1 plus z is equal to 1. X into y into 1 plus z. So we know that according to property of 1 only, y into 1 is equal to y. So y plus z. So if we evaluate any of the method, we get the result as same only. So you can take any of the variable in a term as a common factor, and finally we will get the same result, but differ in the steps. That's it. Okay. So we can take any of the common factor. So and then we can evaluate the expression. So like this we can evaluate the expression with the help of algebraic method. So I will take one more example how to minimize or how to reduce the Boolean expression. Okay. So now I am taking xy whole bar plus x bar plus xy. So this is the expression I am taking. So how to evaluate this expression means, see, here it is a whole bar. Whenever we have bar means complement of a term. Okay, so not complement of a variable. So if it is complement of a variable, we are taking that variable as it is for the simplification. If any expression contains the bar of a term, means one complete term, we have a complement means that we have to split. So how to split? We know that if we are splitting the bar, change the sign. So here we have x into y, right? So if I am splitting this bar, x bar plus y bar. So this multiplication means AND operator changes to OR operator, means this dot is changed to plus. Okay. So now this is completed. So remaining is x bar plus xy, right? So why I am splitting this means, so we are applying the concept duality, complementative concept. So that's why we are splitting bar, means if the term contains bar, so how to split means this bar will be applicable for each and every term. each and every variable present in the term. Okay, so this bar is applicable for x and then y also. So if I split it, means if I break that bar, so this becomes x bar plus y bar. So this multiplication sign changes to plus. Okay, so that's why I am writing like this. Okay, so now here we have x bar plus x bar. The same term I am writing, interchanging the places of those terms. Okay, so here we have x bar plus x bar. We know that x plus x is equal to x according to idempotence law. So we know that x plus x is equal to x. So instead of x, here what is there? X bar is there. So x bar plus x bar is equal to x bar. Okay. So now instead of this x bar plus x bar, I am writing x bar plus y bar plus xy. Okay. So now I am multiplying this xy to x bar. You can multiply this to x bar also or y bar also, but not both. Okay, so we have to multiply this any of these terms. So why? Because we have addition sign. Either we can perform these two operations or we can perform these two operations. So if we perform these two or if we perform these two, we will get the result as same only. So now I am taking this one. Okay, so now x into x means x bar plus x into, so because we have into here, and then x bar plus y, remaining is plus y bar. So we know that according to complementative law, x bar plus x is 1, right? So according to complementative law, x bar plus x is equal to 1. So instead of that I am writing 1 into, we have x bar plus y, right, as it is. So 1 into x bar plus y bar. This is a remaining thing, right? So next here we have y plus y bar, right? So y plus y bar is equal to 1, right? So 1 into x bar, according to property of 1 into any variable, we get that variable itself, right? So here we have x bar, so that's why instead of x we have x bar. So 1 into x bar is x bar plus, we know that complementative law, y plus y bar is equal to 1, right? So according to complementative law, y plus y bar is equal to 1. So now then this is also same. So here we get x bar plus 1, right? So x bar plus 1 means it is also property of 1 only, x plus 1. So we will get the result as 1. So if we evaluate this expression, we will get the result as 1. So this is the simplified expression of the xy whole bar plus x bar plus y bar. So in next class, we will study how to evaluate with the help of K-map.